Oh, hi there. It's Paul G Hewitt, the Gold and Bitcoin Daddy, and I just thought I'd shoot a quick video. I was just interested to see the comparison with what you can get in the bank with the deals they offer, compared with Bitcoin and Ethereum mining with Swiss Gold Global. So I was having a little search, and I came across. I was looking at ISAs in the UK. It's ISAs, and one of the things you can do, you can put tax free. You can put money in there tax free, but you have to keep it in there for a while. I think normally a year, and you might have to put some money in monthly as well. But I was looking at the different interest rates that you can get, because most bank accounts aren't offering much, and if they're offering anything at all, like a savings account, it's normally between 0.5% and 3%, the very highest. But with the ISAs, sometimes you can get something a bit higher. And as you can see on this one, Halifax, this is halifax.co.uk, low risk, low return. This is their past performance. You can see 0.8%, and then last year they had 10.8%. So it varies between 8% and 10.8%. So that's a bit of a worrying difference. And then if you've got that was a low risk one, and this is a medium risk, medium return, between 0.8% and 12.8%. And then you've got the high risk, high return managed growth fund. So someone's going to invest, as you can see here, 75% in shares, 17% in bonds and gilts. Oh my gosh, that's quite a scary prospect. As if shares weren't bad enough. And property 8%. And there we go. What do we got? Oh look, between 1.2% and 15.7%. So I thought, well, let's take the highest amount. Let's assume that you're going to get the same as they got in this period, 15.7%. And I'm going to make this in dollars, because obviously most people know dollars around the world. So let's assume it's $2,000. So if I do 2,000 times 0.157, that gives you 314 dollars a year. Oh yeah, and there is a service fee, but let's just ignore that for now and just take the higher amount. Oh yeah, there's 0.45 and 0.24. Okay, fine, but let's assume it's the 15%. So let's remember that figure. Okay, so let's go over to the Bitcoin mining calculator. Here we go, Bitcoin mining calculator. So for the same amount, well, actually $1,950, you can get 15 terahash of mining power. And at the current rate, exchange rate 2,550 dollars per Bitcoin. I calculate it. There we go, 411.40. Now, you're not going to get all of that because, that's just the way Bitcoin mining works. There's fees involved. But you've got an ongoing contract, so it's while it's profitable, it's an open-ended contract. So there's no fees up front. So it's just you have to pay it as you go along. But what we would get with Swiss Gold Global, so if I do 4140 times roughly 0.8. So Swiss Gold pay a bit more than the average Bitcoin mining company. So we pay rather than normal companies would pay 50%. You would get 50% of that. We get a great deal more. Anyway, you would get $329 per month. What did we have here? With the Halifax, you had $314 a year. So with the same investment or investment in the bank, purchase with Bitcoin mining, you would be getting 12 times the amount with Bitcoin mining that you would with interest in the bank. And don't forget, with Bitcoin, with the money you're getting in the bank, it's paid in fiat. In the UK, it'd be pounds, and in the US, it'd be dollars. So it's losing value as well. Okay, yes, with Bitcoin mining, the difficulty increases. So the next one, you're not getting 411. You're not basing it on 411. You're basing it on 397, so that goes down. But with Bitcoin mining, you can compound. So if you compounded all that and bought some more Bitcoin mining with that, you would have more terahash to put in there, so that would counter that. So by the end of the year, you'd still be getting, you're going to be getting a lot more money by the end of the year. Anyway, now, what about Ethereum altcoin mining? Now, I took the same amount of approximately $2,000. It's actually just a bit less, and you can get 66 megahash of Ethereum mining. Now, this is a 2-year contract. There's no upfront. Sorry, there's no ongoing costs. It's all upfront, so you don't have to worry about that. So you get what it says here: $405 per month, based on one Ethereum being $356. 405. Okay, I know we don't have to calculate anything here, but 405. Okay, so let's put that in there. So let's get all the calculators up and do a comparison. Okay, so okay, I'm going to just assume that there's no for this purposes, we're not depreciating in fiat. We're not having difficulty increases. There are, but just for this purpose of this, to make it easier. So for your interest rates, you're going to get £314 in the bank, dollars in the bank over the year. Now with Bitcoin mining, let's times that by 12. $4,860. And for sorry, no, that was not that was the Ethereum. Sorry, move those around. And for the Bitcoin mining, 12. Okay, so that's the difference. $314 if you put your money, $2,000 in the bank. Nearly $4,000 if you buy some Bitcoin mining, the same amount. And with Ethereum, $4,860 for a year. You get that for 2 years. With Bitcoin mining, you're going to get that ongoing. Yes, the difficulty rate increases, so you're going to get a bit less, and there's a halving coming up. But the point is, look at the comparison. There's no comparison. So if you want to get involved in Bitcoin mining, check the link under this video. You can go to buildwealthwithpaul.com/register for free, and you can get your free Bitcoin mining account. I'm Paul G Hewitt, the Golden Bitcoin Daddy. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.